La 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 la. Kannari na.
Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome for the online class of 9th standard. So today we are going to learn about one of the important chapter in the sociology. The lesson name is social change. In Kannada, the meaning is Samajika Badalavane. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about some important concepts. So what is the meaning of social change and what is adjustment, what is the meaning of coexistence, conflict, cooperation, competition. So how these are all the activities will take place in the society, so that we are going to study now. So meaning of social change. So in this concept we are going to learn that we are living in the nature. Do the nature is same in all the time, my dear students? No, it is going to change season to season. Even as like in the human society also, one decade to one period to another period, lot of changes we are going to see in the human society. So in a science you have studied that man is a social animal. Man lived like a monkey. He was a nomad. So during at the early stage of the human society, women are going to live in a forest. Later they lived in a hut. Later they constructed the house. Now they are going to live in a bungalow, and many of them are going to live in an apartment. This is the development of human society. When we are going to see the evolution of human society, ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮಾನವನ ಗುರುತಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವಲೋಕನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾನವನ ಜೀವನ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ. Do only the materialistic has changed? No, even our behaviors also changed. ಮಾನವನ ರೂಪ, ಅವನ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಅವನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ನೈತಿಕತೆ, ಮಾರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ನಿಯಮ. It is also indicate the modification of social process and social cultural development. The mobility found in a human society is basically due to a social change. ಮಾನವನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಕರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎ ಟೂ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ಲಡ್ಸ್, ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವೇಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ವಿಕೋಪಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೋ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆರೆ ಹಾವಳಿಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೋ, ಅರ್ಥ್ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಭೂಕಂಪನಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೋ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವನ ಭೌತಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. But when these are all calamities occurs, then man come to know life is not as it is the God has gifted. It is going to change. Then he will change his behavior. So this is one of the incident we are going to learn. And due to that, according to the circumstance, ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? He is going to construct the earth resistant buildings. He is going to measure the natural calamities in scientific way. He is going to intimate early in the future situations. These are all going to take a place by the first reason that natural calamities or any incident is going to take place for to the social change. What is the second reason? So when man is going to move dynamically from one place to another place, so during that time also what happens? Man, all activities are going to change. Suppose when we are going to learn about the human evolution, we come to know during the time of Britishers, we are working as a slaves. We have lost our all rights for to the Britishers, but later we fought against with the British and secured all kind of an legal provisions, and we started to protect all kind of a human beings under the civic rights. This is also one type of social change. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ವಿಕೋಪಗಳಿಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾನವನ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ನೈತಿಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ and what definition has given the sociologist about the social change that we have to learn. According to the sociologist McCaver, social change is a change that takes place in the human social relationship. ಈಗ ಮಾನವನ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅತಿ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿವೆ. Before we are going to think that only our blood relatives or relations, but now we are going to think that all human beings in the world are our relatives. Either they are American, either they are in Pakistan, Afghanistan, any other country in the world. We are going to look at in the relation of human beings. So this concept was the present growth of social change, where it was not in the time of 1950. So this is also one of the major changes we are going to see in the human development. Now we are going to study about the characteristics of a social change. So first one is social change is continuous process. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಲ್ಲ. It is continually take place in the human society. Understood? Social change is universal. It is not only take place in India, it is also going to take place in the other part of the world. Social change varies its forms from the speed. ಒಂದು ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬೇಗ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಾವು ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎ COVID-19, either it is an virus attacked. Now we are going to adapt for to the digital medias. Before, students are not using more mobiles, parents are not going to be attached with the mobiles. Now there is no life at all without the mobile. Before, the school system of education was different. There is no allow for to the mobiles in a school, but now without mobile you cannot get the education. This is also one type of social change that we are going to see. But this system what we are going to have present, this already have took place in some fast developed countries like America, Russia, Japan, because they are advanced in a technology. But now we are going to be stepping our foots in the technological development. That is known as a various speed from one nation to another nation. The chain of social process create the social change. If any one of the person is going to change his dress, changing his attitude, then automatically what happens? People will follow up, people will copy. So that's why most of the films when we are going to watch, that motivate us and we start to imitate like a hero or heroine, what dress they are going to wear, what kind of techniques they are going to use, what language they are going to use for communication, so how they are going to develop the body. This all we are going to learn. This is also one type of social process. So now we are going to discuss about the social change as a process. So social change have, so the major 6 process here, they have 5 process they have discussed here. One is conflict, another one is adjustment, and cooperation, coexistence and competition. So let us discuss this all process in a very depth knowledge. What is a conflict? Conflict means garshane. In social, conflict is the most important and effective way of social process. Any clash of ideas that appear in a group turn to a desire to achieve and desire to goal is called as a conflict. For example, when we are people in the control of an Britishers, so we are going to have some conflict with them. What is to overcome from this conflict, to make this life simplification, not complication. So what we have done, so we started to fight against with them. So we struggle hard and we kept a goal to be free from the Britishers. This made us now the changes in our lifestyle. Here they have given one example in your textbook. In Kabaddi game, both the team would be trying to earn more points. The team which employs effective tactics finally wins. Similarly, in a society also, if there are two groups, so which group have a more kind of techniques, those who are going to have a same goal, all are going to support for that strike or a movement. Suddenly what happens, the changes are going to take a place. When the rights of women or Dalitas are violated in the society, many of the people started to create a group among to fight to eradicate the women and the Dalitas, to give the freedom or to make them free. This become a very social phenomena and it become change. Now you see in the society there were no any kind of conflicts between the women rights and the Dalitas. So we are going to consider as a human being, but that was not there before the time of British, when they are ruling soon after the independence. When all the society members become educated, they started to fight for their fundamental rights. So these are some information about how the social change will take place from the conflicts. Even social changes will also take place by the adjustment. So whenever you are going to obey the rules and regulation of the government, what it has made, when you are going to follow up, automatically when you are going to adopt that in your life, then what happens, the society is going to become change, because the motivation of a government, the support of a government, what we are going to give and what we are going to adjust for the government or for the rules and regulation, the automatically what happens, the clashes are going to get down and problems are going to reduce, and society is coming under the peace and security. So people are going to live happy. So this will take place when there is a very good adjustment between the government and the public. So this leads for to the changes in the society. Next one is cooperation. Without cooperation, nothing will take a place. Cooperation needs in all the type of relationship among all the human beings. Not only in a blood group, we should have a very good cooperation with all the society members. This leads for to the fast economic growth, fast sudden changes in the society. So without giving a give and take respect, the cooperation is not going to take a place. Either the cooperation may direct or indirect. When child is going to learn a good behaviors from the teacher, and when it is going to cooperate with the teacher, the learning process will become very easy, and they are going to create a very good environment in the school. So both will become happy. As a teacher, what he taught, he is satisfied by his teaching, and the student who learn from him, they are going to grow or they are going to gain a knowledge, they too also happy. So this makes the learning process very fast, and the lesson is going to be understand very easily, and automatically what happen, so the result will get very clear, and so in a very valuable manner. So in the society also same like example, when a government and the public have a very good cooperation, what happens? The changes are going to take a place rapidly. Next one is coexistence. What is a coexistence means? So where there is an freedom for each and everyone people to express their thoughts and listen to the views and adjusting for to all conditions of the society. So when all are going to follow the rules and regulation, when all people will get an same respect in the society, then what happens? So the society is going to change very fast and they are going to have a very good culture and languages are going to develop, religions are going to develop, and caste conflict will not arise, and violence is going to stop. So coexistence is very important for to the development of society. If there is no coexistence, what happens? Peace and security being cannot provided by the government. If the people do not have understanding among themselves, the government, however it make a rules and regulation, it becomes failure to maintain the society developments. So that's why coexistence is very helpful for the development of the country. Especially like India, coexistence is very essential, because in India we are going to see unity in diversity. If there is no unity among ourselves, what happens? Some third person will take the advantage and he is going to create so the problems among the public or among the people and disturb the peace and security of the nation. So coexistence is very important for the protection of our family and also our society. So that's why coexistence is also one of the important process of social change. And competition is very important, my dear students. If there is no competition, what happens? There is no any changes in the life process, and there is no any interesting in the life, and everyone, if they become a compromise, then what happens? The new evolutions will not take a place, new changes are not going to take a place, new ideas are not going to take a place, and economical system will slow down. So we should know the competition is very important for the development of a society. A good competition also creates a favoritism, and competition being increasing, what happens? The peoples are going to become unity. For example, when the cricket match is going to take a place, we all support only for India. Why? Because we are going to show the performance of our whole country in the team of India. That is competition, and competition makes the players, competition makes each and every one people to have curiosity in the life, and that should be end with the very good result. But sometimes the competition also affects for to the unhealth of the society, that we should control. So due to the globalization, economical condition we are going to live, so that's why what we have to do, competition is must and should. If we want to live like other people in the world, we have to adopt how the other people have become rich, how the other country people become strong, how they are going to have the ideas, and how they are going to work. When all that we start to copy, then what happens? Leads to the development, competition, and competition creates a lot of changes in the human attitude. So today we are going to have all techniques in a lifestyle because of a competition among the group of peoples, competition among the human society, competition among the various countries made a man life easy and also complication. So dear students, social change is very important for the development of our individual and as well as for the society development, that you have to keep in the mind. The lesson is very short, small, if you understood the concept very clearly, you can write easily the question and answers while finding the answers in the textbook. So regarding to this topic, if you have any doubts, so you can question me in the WhatsApp. So prepare the notes of this lesson. So if you are not getting, then I will provide you the PDF file. You can copy and complete the notes. So thank you for listening the video. Keep watching in a future days. Be safe. Thank you. Goodbye.